Avocado toast. It's a breakfast classic, but let's face it, the same old smashed avocado can get boring. What if I told you there are 10 insanely creative combos out there that could totally transform your mornings? But here's the catch. Not all of them are winners. Stick around as we rank 10 unique avocado toast ideas, from the absolute best to the ones you should skip. Are you stuck in a breakfast rut? Same bland toast every day? Or worse, have you tried spicing things up only to end up with a soggy mess or a topping combo that just doesn't work? We've all been there. Finding the perfect mix of flavors that balances health, taste, and convenience can feel impossible. That's exactly why I tested 10 unique avocado toast recipes for you. From savory delights to sweet surprises, I've done the legwork so you don't have to. Today, I'll rank them from worst to the best, sharing what works, what doesn't, and pro tips to take your avocado toast to the next level. Our first contender is avocado toast with chili flakes, lime juice, and a drizzle of honey. The heat from the chili flakes might seem bold, but the honey adds just the right amount of sweetness to balance the flavors. Does it work? Absolutely. This is for those who love a sweet and spicy combo with a citrusy twist. Next up, we're going back to basics. Avocado toast with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt, cracked black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Sometimes simplicity wins. This one is for purists who appreciate the creamy texture of avocado without distractions. Here's a wild card. Avocado toast topped with dark chocolate shavings and a pinch of sea salt. It's decadent but surprisingly balanced. Perfect for someone with a sweet tooth who still craves a little saltiness. Is it an everyday option? Maybe not, but it's worth a try. This one takes us to the tropics. Avocado, pineapple chunks, and jalapenos. The sweetness of the pineapple and the heat from the jalapenos make an interesting pair, but it's not for everyone. It's bold, it's different, but it may be too adventurous for some. Now for a Mediterranean-inspired creation. Smashed avocado topped with crumbled feta, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This one is a crowd pleaser. Salty, tangy, and full of fresh flavors. Avocado toast meets dessert with this combo. Sliced strawberries, a drizzle of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. The berry's natural sweetness pairs beautifully with the creamy avocado, creating a light, refreshing treat. For a protein boost, this one features a poached egg, a sprinkle of smoked paprika, and a handful of microgreens. The yolk adds richness, while the greens keep it light and fresh, a perfect balance of indulgence and nutrition. This one's all about texture. Avocado topped with crushed pistachios, pomegranate seeds, and a drizzle of honey. It's a flavor and texture explosion. Sweet, salty, creamy, and crunchy all at once. Smoked salmon lovers, this one's for you. The smoky, tangy, and creamy combination is hard to beat. And finally, the winner of today's showdown. Smashed avocado with crumbled goat cheese, pomegranate seeds, and a drizzle of balsamic reduction. It's luxurious, perfectly balanced, and absolutely stunning to serve. This one takes the crown as the ultimate avocado toast. Now that you've got 10 incredible avocado toast ideas, it's time to level up your breakfast game. Which combo will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative food ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.